Om Shri Sai Ram. My most humble pranam at the lotus divine feet of Mother Sai. Today we have to start our lesson number 4. First of all, we have to do 3 Omkars. Sai Ram. Our lesson number 4 is Introduction to MS Word 2010. In previous class, we learned about the WordPad. Now in this chapter, we have to learn about the MS Word 2010. This is also a text editor program. We have learned how to use Paint to make pictures on a computer. Let us learn how to use a computer to type text. For this, we use a program called a word processor. MS Word is a word processor. For painting, we are using the Paint program. For typing the text, a letter, we use the word processor program, and MS Word is also a word processor program. Now how to start MS Word? To start MS Word, follow these steps. Number 1, click on the Start button. Step 2, click on All Programs. Step 3, click on Microsoft Office. Step 4, click on Microsoft Word 2010. Now your program is started. You can use it. I repeat again. First of all, we have to click on the Start button, then All Program, then Microsoft Office, and then Microsoft Office Word. The MS Word window opens. You can also see in a picture. First of all, we have to click on here Start button. Then after we have to click on a Microsoft Office, and then after we have to click on Microsoft Word 2010. Here the parts of the MS Word window. The Word window has many parts such as the title bar, ribbon, file tab, document area, status bar, and scroll bars. You can see in a picture, this is a MS Word window. Here you can see this is a file tab, this is title bar, this is ribbon, this is cursor, document area, horizontal scroll bar, status bar. All these are the parts of MS Word window. Title bar. The title bar is a horizontal bar at the top of the screen. You can see here the screen. At the top you can see the title bar. It shows the name of the document and the program name. By default the document name is the document 1 and your program name is the Microsoft Word. If you saved your file name is, you can see in a title bar. Next is ribbon. The ribbon has commands we can use to work in MS Word. It has two parts, tabs and groups. File, Home, Insert and Page Layout are some tabs on the ribbon. Clicking on a tab displays group of commands. In the ribbon there are two parts, tab and groups. Whenever you click on the tab, you can see the groups. Different groups are there. All groups has the different commands. Next is File tab. The File tab is the first tab on the ribbon. Some of the commands under this tab are Save, New, Open, Print and Exit. In the File tab, you can see these commands: Save, New, Open, Print, Exit. All these commands are here. This is the File tabs. These are File tabs command. Next is Document area. The document area is the blank where we can type text. This is the biggest part of the MS Word window where we are typing our text. Next is status bar. The status bar is at bottom of the window. It gives information about the Word document that we are working on, such as page number and number of words. At the top you can see the title bar and at the bottom you can see the status bar. In the status bar we can see page number and number of words. You can also zoom in or zoom out by using this. Next is scroll bar. The Word window has two scroll bars. The scroll bars can be moved with the help of mouse. The vertical scroll bar is at the right side of the document area. It helps to move the document area up or down. Next is the horizontal scroll bar is below the document area. It helps to move the document area left or right. Vertical scroll bar is used to move page up and down. Horizontal scroll bar is used to move page left and right. You can see these checkpoints. You have to fill these checkpoints. Now if you want to type anything, first of all you need to create a file. How to create a file? To create a file, follow these steps. Step number 1. Click on the File tab. Then click on New. Click on Blank Document. Click on Create. A new Word file opens. I repeat again, to create a new file, first of all click on the File tab. Click on New. Click on Blank Document. Click on Create. A new Word file opens. We see a small blinking vertical line in the document area. This is called the cursor. The cursor shows where the text we type will appear. To type text, press the key on the keyboard. It's that simple. You can see a vertical blinking line in document area. That's called a cursor. Small blinking line. And what is the use of cursor? The cursor shows where the text we type will appear. And how to type? You can press the keys on keyboard. That's a simple. After the typing, you need to save your file. The text we type must be saved, otherwise we will lose it. To save a document, follow these steps. Click on the File tab. Click on Save. The Save As dialog box appears. Type a file name. Click on Save. The file will be saved with the given file name. The title bar shows the new name of the file. You have to follow these steps to save your file. First of all, click on the File tab. Then click on Save button. The Save As dialog box will appear. Then you can type your file name, whatever you want, and then click on the Save button. After the saving, you can see your file name on the title bar. The shortcut key is to save your file, Ctrl S. Ctrl plus S is used to save your file. That's a shortcut key. And to open your file, shortcut key is Ctrl plus O to open a saved file. Opening a saved file. To open a saved file, follow these steps. Click on File tab. Click on Open. The Open dialog box appears. Select the file you want to open. Click on Open. To open your file, first of all you have to click on the File menu. Then after, click on the Open option. The Open dialog box is appear. This is the Open dialog box. Then you can select your file and click on the Open option. Your file will be opened. Now after completing your work, you want to exit from the MS Word or close your program. Exit MS Word. After your work is done, we have to close or exit from the MS Word program. To exit the Word program, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Click on Exit. Your program will be closed. If we have not saved our work before trying to exit, MS Word display a message box. Click one of the three buttons in the message box. First message is click on the Save button if you want to save the file. Second, click on the Don't Save button if you do not want to save your file. Number 3, click on Cancel if you want to go back to your file. Whenever you want to close your file, you can click on the File menu and click on the Exit option. That time you can see this Microsoft Word alert message. In that message box there are three options are there: Save, Don't Save and Cancel. Whichever you want to select, you can select it. Our lesson is complete. Now we can see the keywords. Word processor, a program that edits, formats and stores text according to the instructions given. That's called a word processor. Title bar, the bar that shows the name of the document and the program name. That's called the title bar. We can see the title bar at the top of the window. Document area, the white space where what we type or edit appears. That's called the document area. It is the biggest part of the window. Next is status bar, the bar that give information about the Word document that we are working on. That's called the status bar. All of you write down keywords and summary on your notebook. Next time I send you the whole exercise, you have to write down that exercise on your notebook. We have to do Om Shanti Shanti. Join your hands, close your eyes. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Take care. Sai Ram.